Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to join a channel on WhatsApp. This is the updated method, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and follow any WhatsApp channel you're interested in. It's quick, easy, and works on both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app. Make sure you have the latest version installed so everything looks and works as described. Once you're in, look at the icons at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. Tap on the Updates tab. This is where WhatsApp now keeps all your status updates and channels in one place. Inside the Updates tab, you'll see two sections. The top part shows your contacts' status updates, and just below that, you'll find WhatsApp channels. These channels are created by people, brands, and organizations to share updates directly with followers. They're one-way, so only admins can post, keeping things clean and focused. Now, to find new channels, tap the Explore button. This will take you to a discovery page filled with popular and trending channels in your region. From here, you can browse through categories, recommended pages, or simply scroll to see what catches your attention. If you already know the name of a channel you want to join, type it into the search bar at the top for quicker access. Once you find a channel that interests you, tap on its name to preview it. You can check recent posts, see how active it is, and get an idea of the kind of content it shares. When you're ready to join, all you need to do is tap Follow. That's it. You're now subscribed to that channel, and its updates will appear right inside the Updates tab whenever new posts are shared. Joining WhatsApp channels is an easy way to stay informed and connected without extra noise or clutter. So go ahead, explore a few channels, follow the ones you like, and enjoy the latest updates right at your fingertips.